Hey everyone, this is Ryan here with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Instagram message problem, specifically how to fix when DMs aren't loading on the Instagram app on your iPhone. So there are two kind of main problems that this could be that are within your control. But before I get into how to fix those, what I do want to say is that often this problem is a server issue with Instagram. So if you kind of just Google search Instagram servers and see that everyone else is complaining about Instagram servers being down or not being able to access their messages, then it's probably Instagram that is not letting you load direct messages and not just your own personal account or device. So I would check into that first before these two solutions, because often Instagram does crash and gives a lot of users a lot of problems. So if you've checked that and that's not the case, and for whatever reason you're getting a blank screen when you try to access your direct messages, what you're going to want to do is first check and see how your internet access is doing. So you want to go up to your either Wi-Fi or your carrier settings and just make sure that your cellular data is on and your Wi-Fi is set up to a strong connection. And you can either go on your home screen like I just did, or you can go to Safari on your iPhone. So I'm going to click on Safari and just start a new tab and Google search Instagram messages. All right, so it looks like I'm able to Google search just fine. So it can't be my internet. So I'm going to go back to my Instagram account. And the other thing that I want to do is make sure that my app is updated. So I'm going to go to my App Store and search for Instagram. And if there is a need for updating, Instagram next to where this open button says will have an update button to get the latest version of Instagram. You can also click into version history right next to what's new and see kind of the last update that was available. And it looks like I have the most updated version as well. If you do need to update your app, all you're going to want to do is select update and then close out of your app in order to access the latest version. So those are two fixes and two ways that if Instagram itself servers aren't down, that you are able to fix the internet connection or update the app through the App Store. So this has been how to fix the Instagram DM message problem. Hopefully this was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.